Hi there guys, what's up? Finally, I'm doing this unboxing. Let me tell you, I've been waiting for 2 years to do it because finally I got my SWAGTRON EB7 ELITE PLUS folding bike. And let me tell you, I've been waiting for 2 years to get this bike. Well, you all know that the pandemic caused a lot of disruption in the distribution system. So probably that was the cause why I couldn't get it. Like, I tried to buy it a couple times, it would never arrive. It was really funny. Then prices would fluctuate so much. Like, initially I first saw this bike for $700. Then I saw it for $999, even for more than 1,000. Finally, I saw it on Amazon for 800 and I bought it. Now it's gone again. But finally, I got it here. And let me tell you one of the reasons why I'm doing this unboxing. I don't even know whether I will upload it or not. But I got tired of waiting for this bike. So I ended up buying another bike, which was the Mars Plus e-bike. It was a cool bike, bigger than this one. Weighed much more than 60 pounds. So 32 kilograms. And guess what? All these companies are from China. Now, they seem to have their warehouses in the States. For instance, the Mars e-bike was supposed to come from California. So, well, I received it, and for starters, it came in a box that was, according to me, already didn't look nice. It had been already packed twice. I could tell by the staples. Probably someone had bought it and then returned it. And so when I opened it and I started assembling it, I'm the kind of guy that never looks at the instruction guide. And so at a certain moment, I just couldn't install the handle of the bike, and I didn't know why. And guess what? There were missing parts. So I contacted them, and they told me, "Oh, we will send you this spare part." But it came from China. I waited for 2 weeks, and that thing wasn't even being sent. So I told him, I'm tired of waiting because I needed the bike for a special event, for which I needed a bike, right? And so they told me, I started getting mad, and I told them, listen, I'm not gonna wait for 2 months. So they told me, okay, well then we'll send you another bike from California this time, but you have to send us yours first, and you have to pay for it. I was like, why do I have to pay for the shipping of the bike? It's not my fault, right? So anyway, I ended up opening a dispute because thank God I bought it with PayPal, and I didn't have to pay, and I just returned the bike because it was ridiculous. I mean, I told them, why don't you just send me this spare part instead of a whole bike, or having me send to you the whole bike to receive another bike just because there's a little tiny thing that is missing, but I can't mount the handle. The thing is, thanks to the fact that I was recording a video, I could prove that it wasn't my fault, that I had lost it or whatever, so that's one of the reasons why I'm making this unboxing. And then I know there's many other unboxings there on YouTube, and people are also, speak about the way the bike functions and the performance. I'm just gonna open it up for you guys to see, and maybe it helps. So, well, I'm gonna put some gloves on. You never know, because you might cut your hands. These are very nice gloves, by the way, from the Home Depot. They're even cut resistant. So there we go. And I have the whole gear here with me. Okay, so just so that you guys know, there's another bike that it's not the Plus, it's called the Elite from SWAGTRON, and they've been selling it these 2 years as if it were the Plus one, but there's a big difference. I wanted this bike because it's a small bike, it's foldable, it's electric, but it also has gears, because I thought, okay, cool, yeah, I want to buy an electric bike. Let me tell you why. Because I sweat a lot. So it's not that I'm lazy, I actually like pedaling, but first of all, I sweat a lot. And in summer, or if there's a lot of humidity, I just can't, for instance, go to work or somewhere because I would arrive like completely wet. Then what happens if the battery drains and you're far away and then you have to, I mean, you can still use the bike, but what happens when you reach a steep hill, for instance, and you don't have any gears? So this one has 7 Shimano gears, which is cool. So that's why I wanted this bike, because it's the only one I think in the market. And also this is very light. Like the Mars bike was 60 pounds or something like that, 30 kilograms. This one is like 40, 19 kilograms, so it's very light. So if you want to, say, fold it and take it with you in the subway, I guess you can. Trust me, there's a difference between 40 and 60 pounds, even for a man. So, also, it comes with a 36 volt battery, which is cheap, by the way, compared to other bike batteries. This one was a little bit more than $100. So I got a spare battery, which right first. Every battery takes like about 3 to 4 hours to charge, and it gives you about 20 miles of distance. You can ride for 20 miles. So that's cool. That's quite a lot. But if you have a spare one, say you carry it in a backpack, then you have a lot more time to ride with a bike, right? So I got another spare battery. You can see it here. And now let's just open up the bike. Now this one comes really in a nice box, and unlike the other one that was dirty, like it had been banged. And like I told you, I could tell that it had been stapled and then restapled with bigger staples, so someone had returned it. So, you know, beware of that fact, because these companies, in the end, they ship from China. And they will also pose a lot of problems if you want to return things. And you don't have to pay for anything. If there's any issue, it's their fault and not yours. Also, you're not obliged to wait 3 months. If there's something wrong, you can just return it, right? It's your right. So here we go. Let me see. I want to do it carefully just in case I have to return it. Let's hope I don't, right? Okay. So here we go. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. This comes nicely packaged. I have seen other bikes that come even, like they fill the box with this foam, which is even better. But I mean, I hope that this bike comes perfect without any dents or anything. So this is the saddle. Just put it here aside. And now I'm gonna just take the bike out. Let's see. Okay, it weighs, but trust me, when I had to lift this 62-pound bike, that was just impossible. Let me just put the box somewhere else. You guys can see. All right, so here we are. Let's remove this and start cutting everything. Wow. Okay. What is this? Good question. I wonder whether the battery is inside. Oh yes, it's here. The battery comes already mounted, so I was looking for this. Is probably, oh right, this is the thing to charge the battery. So it's cool. Wow, this is, trust me, so much tinier. This is what I wanted, you know, because I don't have a very big apartment, so the smaller the better. Plus, I'm not a delivery guy. I just want to buy, you know, to have some fun. but not something that's too bulky, right? All right. So far, so good. Yep. Wow, 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 this looks nice. It's pretty nice. Yes, sir. Now let me see. I guess you have to bend it here. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. I don't think I even need to read the instructions. Here we go. And last but not least, there's this thing. Oh wow, it's already mounted. You only have to close it and yeah, tie it in here. Wow, that was quick. Oh wait, I forgot the saddle. So this bike also has a light, rear light and front light, which is also cool. And the saddle comes with, that's also cool, with a measurement here. That's cool because if you if you need to, like say, lock the bike and remove the seat, you know at which height you have to place it when you put it back. So that's kind of cool. With my other bikes, I used to look at the scratches to see where I had to put it, right? But yeah, that's basically it. Let me see. This is a little bit tight, because I have to, yeah, unscrew it a little bit here. No, sorry, a little bit tighter. There. All right. Well, I still have to check the pressure of the tires, 16. But this is such a beauty. It's an orange. I mean, it's not the color that I have chosen, but I like it. The other one, the one that is not the plus, is black and red, which I like more, as you can see. But this one is super cool. Let me see. Wow, this is super cool. And you know what? It feels great. Yep. So this is exactly what I wanted. Let's just cross fingers and hope it works. But, oh yeah, I mean, listen, it's not super light, right? Maybe for a woman it might be a little bit too heavy, but for a man, you can at least carry it for a while like this. Besides, it has this handle, which helps a lot, which other bikes don't have. So this helps a lot. This is definitely much lighter. I mean, like I said, the other ones are 20 pounds heavier, so that makes a difference. And yeah, so the cool thing about this is that it's got gears. So if you don't want to use the battery, you can use the gears, because it's not the same if you're riding on a flat surface or if you're going, upwards, downwards. So there you go. I hope you liked it. Maybe I'll do another video, trying the bike, riding it. Bye bye.